myself because I ain't trying to play myself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aryelle Artistry here, and I'm coming at you with another look. I decided to create a vampire inspired look today. This is another wig I got from Amazon. This is a lot thicker, as you can see. I have these clips in my hair because, like I said in my last video, you wet the wig, the synthetic wig, and you finger comb through it. So that's what I did, and I'm just putting these clips up so it kind of keeps its curl. I will definitely link it down below for you guys so you can cop that. And yeah, I'm a little hyper from coffee because it is a little late. So I'm not going to be doing a talk through for this video. I'm going to do a voiceover just because I feel like my videos have been a little bit too long. So I want to shorten it up for you guys. And yeah, I'll be talking to you through voiceover. So this is the only talk through I will have. But first, before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel. Be a part of my mermaid family. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please comment down below on what you guys think I should do next. If you recreated this look, I would love to know. Just tag me on Instagram. It's at Aryelle Artistry. I would love to see your recreations. If you want to hang out with me as I create this vampire-inspired look, just keep watching. Hey guys, so the first thing that I'm doing is my eyebrows. So I actually do them off camera because you guys see me do them before. They're very repetitive. To prime my eyes, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand, and I'm just using a beauty blender to blend that out. And to set that, I'm going to be using the MAC Soft Focus Powder with a fluffy blending brush. For the crease, I'm taking a C528 brush by Crown and using the NARS Exhibit A blush. And I'm just going to be placing that in my crease and be blowing that out. Now I am taking a gray shadow and just using that with a 217 brush by MAC, and I'm just putting that right in my crease, right underneath where I did the red. And you want to keep going back and forth, dipping it into the product and just kind of building it. Yeah, I'm really killing myself. And now I'm taking that C528 brush with the red on it and just making sure that everything blends nicely. So now I'm taking the same pencil that I used in my Easy Skull video. I'm going to be putting this all over my eye, and I'm just prepping that for the black eyeshadow we're putting on top of it, which is Makeup Geek Corrupt, and I'm using that with a flat synthetic brush. And I'm going back in with that MAC 217 brush, and I'm just making sure that everything is blended nicely. And then I go back in with a C528 again, just to make sure that everything is blended. I've been using these lashes a lot recently. These are the EYELURE lashes, Vegas Nay, and this is the Grand Glamour. Boom, lashes on, girl. To prime my face, I'm using the BECCA First Light Primer. I'm just going to put that all over my face. And I actually say that I'm mixing these two, but I'm actually just using the MAC one, and this is the MAC MATCHMASTER in the number 3. So I decided to take my necklace off, and honestly, that took like 5 minutes to get off. It was like driving me insane, and you see later I forget to put it back on. So it's just, I'm done with this necklace. And I'm just blending this out with a beauty blender. And then I look at myself and I think I'm a ghost because I'm so light. And then I slowly bring that all the way down to my chest, and I even cover my tattoo. We want to look like we are realistic, you know? Dude, I almost forgot my forehead. Like, I can't. So now I'm going back in with the Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand, and I'm just using that as concealer. And this is also going to prep for the eyeshadow we're putting underneath our eye. And I'm just blending that out with a mini beauty blender, and then I'm going in with the BECCA Hydra Mist powder, and I'm just setting my whole entire face with this, as well as concealer. After I set my concealer, I go in with a fluffy synthetic brush, and I just tap this all over my face and onto my chest. Now we're going back in with that NARS Exhibit A blush, and we're going to use the C528 brush, and we're just going to blend that underneath the eye. And I'm really going to take it down far just to match the top so it looks like we're, you know, infected, you know? Then I take that black pencil again, and I'm just lining my waterline, and I'm also lining underneath my lash line, and I'm going to blend it out with this little small smudger brush. To smudge it out even more, I'm taking that small crease brush and I'm just blending that out, and then I'll be using the gray on top of that. Now I'm taking a fluffy synthetic brush and I'm taking that gray eyeshadow and I'm going to contour with it. It's going to give like a diffused look. And you'll see I go back in with my beauty blender just to make sure that it's blended, and it kind of looks like it's more realistic because it's coming from within the skin. So now I'm going to be drawing some veins on my eyes, and then I later again draw it on my head. But I'm just taking this small eyeliner brush. This is the MAC 210 brush, and that black eyeliner, and I'm just going to be just drawing little lines. Nothing really precise. It's just kind of where I think it looks best. So you can just do this free-handed, do it wherever, and if you mess up, you can always just blend it out with the beauty blender. I feel like you kind of really can't mess this up because it's veins. As long as you're very light-handed like I am, then you'll be fine. And I also use the red eyeshadow just to make the veins pop a little bit more. And this is where I go in with the beauty blender just to blend it so it looks like it's coming from my actual skin, like it looks real, you know? And you'll see me go back and forth with applying it and then blending it. So I just do that a couple of times. Now I'm taking the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara and I'm going to be using that on my bottom lashes. For lips, we're going to be using MAC Ruby Woo lipstick, and we're going to be using a black lipstick. So we're going to be using the MAC Ruby Woo lipstick first, and then we're going to go in with the black lipstick just to outline it, and then I blend it with a lip brush. If you don't have black lipstick, you can totally use eyeliner as well. Just make sure that you have a small tiny brush like this just so you can blend it out. Now to just blend the two together, I'm going to be using that NARS blush again and just tapping it onto my lips. I'm also going to be putting this around my lips just to make it look more like diffused, like my lips are infected too, you know? And now I'm taking MAC's Brick Red and I'm just drawing some blood. I'm actually going to use some face paint. The pencil really did help me outline where I wanted it, but I used face paint in the end and I feel like it looks a lot more realistic. So I got this face paint from Target and it was $1, and I'm just mixing the red and the black together because I wanted it to look like real blood. I feel like if I just used the red by itself, it would be too bright. And I decided I wanted to contour my body, so I'm taking that gray eyeshadow and I'm just putting it on the collarbone just to pop them out more. Don't forget to contour the girls, you know, because they gotta look good too. And now I'm just adding some veins on my head. I felt like I needed something more. So I'm just using the black pencil and the red eyeshadow again. And I decided to put blood across my chest just because, I don't know, I thought it was cool. So now I'm taking my hair down and I'm just going to untangle it from the clips and I'm going to pull it out and I'm gonna just give it more volume by pulling it and fluffing it up. And I decided to put blood on my hands just to make it look realistic from me like grabbing myself, you know? I don't know. I just thought it was cool, you know? So here's the finished look. I think it looks so cool. I love the way it turned out. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.